In the year 1185, three brothers led a bloody rebellion against Bulgaria's Byzantine overlords. After their success to free Bulgaria, they designated an already heavily fortified city to be the capital of the Second Bulgarian Tzardom. The town was called Tsarevgrad Turnov, or the King's Town of Turnov. This was the beginning of the Assen Dynasty, and the fortress that they built on a brilliantly strategic peninsula hill became the castle from which the Assen Dynasty would rule for over 2 centuries. Further fortifications, together with the main gate, southwest gate, southeast gate, and battle towers, were later constructed during the reign of Tsar Ivan Asen II. Tsarevets was the fortress resident of the Tsar, and it was synonymous with greatness, glory, and wealth. Tsarevets Fortress became the political, administrative, military, religious, and cultural center for all of Bulgaria. In the main citadel, you could find the Tsar and Patriarch's buildings, 23 churches, inns, and water reservoirs. Archaeological excavations have also uncovered the foundations of 470 residential buildings. Archaeologists began their study of Tsarevets in the early 20th century. By the 1960s and 1970s, the entire hill was almost completely excavated. The fortress walls and buildings were partially restored in the 1970s and 1980s. Today, Tsarevets has been transformed into an architectural and museum reserve. This is a unique place to walk the halls of the great kings of Bulgaria, meander through the residential areas, and keep watch over the wall for invading armies. And imagine what life must have been like in this densely populated hilltop fortress.